down, I need to go down. Rock top, run back, that's where we're from. Whoop whoop, when you run, come around. Cause now you're the talk of the town, yeah. Now you're the talk of the town, yeah. Now you're the talk of the town. Whoop whoop, when you run, come around. Whoop whoop, when you run, come around. Cause now you're the talk of the town. Whoop whoop, when you run, come around. Easy now, no need to go down, just walking gently. And you're breaking a bone, cool and deeply. You have a style of your own. The saxophone, cause you sound like the top of the town, yeah. I'm a rocker when you run, come around, yeah. Make a move, make the whole body bubble. Let me know, say you're trouble when you're ready for the bubble. And hit that, nothing, meco. Play with it, a leco. Why you so not tickle? I'm telling you to hit that, nothing, meco. Stay with it, a leco. Why you so not tickle? I'm feeling them.
Wait up.
When you run, come around.
Such silence, who are we mistaken? But you see, it's not me, it's not my family. In your head, they are fighting with their tanks and their bombs and their bombs and their guns. In your head, they are fighting. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head?
Studio camera update.
Shadow. What's going on, maybe? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. I think this is an unusual view. I think it's been a while since you've had both of the two Gs in stream again. So it's good. But Cribber, how's the first day back in stream, bro?
Right, it's good. I was a little bit nervous.
I saw this morning. You still can't trade.
I tried, dude. I was so nervous. I came in, actually prayed beforehand, and I'm like, let me not be brutalized before I arrive. I actually didn't feel pressure, but it would have been cuck starting coming back. It's like gross, feeding us to stop there, but it was good. It was a good trade.
There we go. But Chad, I think we're gonna get right into it. The markets look like they are coming alive. I do think we're gonna catch some nice moves here. We have some fundamentals coming along. There's a few things we can chat about. Not sure exactly what all the boys got into this morning, but quite a bit for us to look into. But without further ado, Chad, if you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, drop a like, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss anything in the future. And without further ado, Chad, we are going to open up the stream with a prayer. So there we go.
Just pray for the ADP, the minus 32.
Hey.
Minus 32. Did you see that? They were expecting 50, minus 32.
Okay, that's a big number, Chad.
Are you praying?
I'll pray, brother.
Okay, beautiful.
All right. Do you have any further things for joining us here this afternoon as we take on these charts, not as individuals, but as a community raised and grown and uplifted in your name and your honor. Thank you for always giving us these blessings day after day. And hopefully we can just continue to do you proud, building your name, building your community higher and higher. Thank you once again, Lord, forever and ever. Amen.
Amen.
All right. Chad, a little bit short and sweeter one here today. But again, nonetheless, as long as the meaning's there, you know it is still worth it. But Chad, drop today, man. Then you know, as long as there's more than two here and present with us. But Chad, let's start off with that fundamental chat so you guys can see exactly what Cribber was referring to there. And now we're just going to look at the red folders. I'm going to focus on London. The big one over here being, thank you so much. The big one being ADP that came out 215, the minus 32. Expecting a 52 and came out minus 32. So that is a big number there, a big miss. So going to be quite interesting, especially the fact that we are midweek. What can we expect going into NFP on Friday? So that is a big number, Chad. 4 o'clock though, just about half an hour after markets open, we're going to have a manufacturing PMI. So again, another big red folder event, 48.7 to 49. So they are expecting an increase. We're going to be quite interesting to see that a little bit of an increase there. Understanding where ADP came out, so want to see what's going to happen there. And then obviously you have some FOMC members talking about yellow folder, and we are off the charts at that point. But nonetheless, Chad, let's go over to the charts and see what is happening. So let's start us off with the dollar. Let me just pack that away there for you guys. So what we're going to be doing here on the dollar, I said to you guys this week, we are going to be bearish, but still a little bit more of a neutral outlook. Now, why we're going to be neutral? Very simple stuff, Chad. We wanted to see us come back down after taking out those highs. We wanted to see the complete reversal, and again, us being able to bat away and not really get through this level of support, have the breakout. The next thing for us was obviously the monthly pivot down here that we could see today, but the key thing we want to take note of was the 9700 and that yearly support to be tested again, and that is exactly where we're going back into. So still looking quite bearish. Once we get back underneath that, that will obviously change us from a neutral to a complete bearish outlook again. But we are not expecting anything less. That this monthly pivot is at least trying to put a fight in for it, because once we get underneath, we want to hold resistance and see that break to the downside. Where this now, if the dollar can, this is its final last stand to try go bullish. So we're going to waste more time there, but I am looking neutral, but still leaning a bit more bullish on the dollar. What does that mean for indices? Now, indices, as I've always said to you guys, we're going to see a little bit more of a bullish momentum. Yesterday was the interesting one, Chad. Now, why was it interesting? We spoke about the idea. So again, we wanted to see what was going to happen. Yeah, we started holding that weekly pivot. We wanted to see it move bullish, and that's exactly where we started to get that price action. Again, wasn't the biggest fan of NASDAQ. USD was the pair for us, and yesterday was, quite frankly, just quite a bit of chop if you see going into Tuesday. So nothing I really wanted to get into. You guys could have maybe definitely got a trade in that momentum. whether you caught the lows or the highs or something like that. But again, as I said, just a little bit of chop city, so not something we really would want to be involved in. And quite frankly, today I don't like NAS either, so not even going to waste more time on that. Going over to US 30, what are we looking at here? Now, US 30, we spoke about it. We wanted to see a little bit more of a bullish momentum. Now, why was that? Because again, purely we talk about the idea that a doji on the higher time frames, I like to see that as a fake out for a continuation, rather where a lot of guys think it's more of a reversal play on the higher time frames. But what I do want to take note of, and why we still stayed neutral, is because we took the previous daily high. Now, going back to what happened yesterday, now, as much as we still technically had a doji, but what do you see here? Now we've taken the previous daily low. So we are starting to flip. Monday, Tuesday, we always talk about it, trying to battle. Where now from Wednesday, we want to start seeing that continuation play. So the big thing over here for us today, if we can get back above these levels and hold here, this is exactly where you want to see USD start finding its footing. But with what's happening in the dollar and the US, it is going to become a bit difficult. So very, very simple. If we get back underneath this weekly pivot, I think those sells and that pressure is going to come back on. But if we can hold here, we can already see Asia highs untested. And if that breaks, that will be the continuation bar for us over there. Then lastly, Chad, gold. What are we looking at here with gold? Now, very simply, we are definitely still bullish. We have taken that all-time...
No, sorry. I was just telling Brian of the new Vision diet, but we'll talk about it.
But over here, we have now taken the all-time highs again and running quite nicely. The big thing for me, Chad, and you guys know this drill, very, very simple. I always talk about this. Previous daily high as well as obviously an all-time high. We've pumped that, have a clean area, the daily R1 as our reversal area, and coming back into the markets. Now, what are we looking at? So previous daily high, we starting to trade underneath. Asia lows is untested, if I'm correct. We'll go down to the lower time frames, so we could see that move, and obviously daily pivot EQ all the way down here. So again, in a nutshell, I'm not going to be switched off to the sells. I do think we could catch a nice little potential scalping here as some type of pullback, so we're going to monitor it. Hopefully it doesn't run without us on market open, because we already Asia highs, previous daily high, we're starting to hold resistance. Is this going to run? Asian lows has been tested, so we are just going to monitor that. But we're going to see what happens there weekly or two, and again, could even possibly drop lower. But otherwise, could that just be the little bit of a fake, and then we're actually going to be looking for those buys again. So if we get above previous daily high, Asia highs, I think that buy momentum will continue for us. But otherwise, looking at a potential short-term scalp sells. Sorry, not scalp sells. That will look for short-term. But Chad, that is everything from me. Krubbo, over to you, brother.
Chad, how's the audio? I know the music's a little bit loud to hide the buzz, but how's it for you, Keeks?
Nah, good for me, bro.
Chad, just let me know, how's the audio for you guys? Give me just some feedback there. Audio alright? Audio good? Okay, everyone happy with it? All good? Good. Mic level's good. Audio loud and clear. Music not too loud. Music not too loud? Okay, beautiful. Alrighty, Chad, let's get straight into it. Good to be here. Bonang took the afternoon off before Brian starts in his stories that we fired him and branded his car TG's. I already see Brian stirring the pot there. Audio's good and that buzz is soft, not annoying anymore. Okay. Chad, dollar index this morning. As I mentioned, we traded into that daily zone. Weirdly enough, weekly is technically bullish for me. Daily, we are basically into that weekly zone. So I'm still bullish on the week. Remember, things can really just snap very, very quickly in the markets. But looking at it now, there's that pullback into Asia lows, rejecting that daily flip area. EQ now all the way back into this little zone, okay? So this little zone is going to be tough. You're going to see something very similar to what happened here. We're going to bounce in between these two levels, and it's going to need to choose a direction. Okay, direction one is we break down lower. This thing absolutely melts. Direction two, we start holding above the previous daily low and we start trading all the way back up to Asia highs and potentially higher. Okay, so while it's in here, there is no idea where it can go, but it can likely follow that move down. All right, US 30 daily, let's have a look at it. Daily, we talked about that potential rejection area, now rejecting previous daily low and failing to hold below. That is a relatively bullish sign. I know Bonang is experiencing a lot of smoothness here because I believe he was in buys from down there, chat. So
Yeah.
that is a lot of smoothness for Bonang. If you're watching, my brother, beautiful. When I greeted him this morning, I said, may the volume be in your favor and all of your TPs get hit. And I think that is what happened. So,
You know what was like, sorry, what was funny with that? Was I not in like the same USD buy? I actually took it a little bit higher than him. And I was like, yo, first time I'm taking USD, especially in a London session. I take it, sat through some drawdown, get up. I take my normal 60-60 when it comes to USD. And then only afterwards, that's when I came through, yeah. And then I see Bonang's in this thing for, yeah, and this thing's like running. I was like, oh my word, this man.
So Bonanga cooked it up there for you guys. So it is bullish, Chad. For me, I do think what you can see here is one of two things. You're going to get something like that, or you're going to get a very strong continuation above this daily level there. Otherwise, it's just going to chop again like yesterday. But it is bullish for me now that we are above that previous daily low. NASDAQ daily looking very similar to US 30. Also have this wide little daily range, also failing to hold below the previous daily low. Can only really get bearish once we are back below there. There you can see clean as they come back above the daily low, back above that average daily range. And this is bullish for me, Chad. So I would expect us a little bit later to trade into that zone, daily flip. And then from there, it's going to need to make a decision where it's going to go to next. I look like I'm sitting in a hole here. Let me just bring it down a little bit. Gold on the daily is super bullish. However, look at what's happening now. My charts are already starting to get slow. Trading view, if you are watching, you guys better up it. Chad, is it just me or is it you guys as well? As soon as New York session chalked, I cannot go through the charts. Okay, Chad, very simple for me here. If we fail, remember this morning what I said. Previous daily high, there we initially had a rejection, came all the way up, strong push. Trade back below, reject. So, if we cannot regain this previous daily high, I will be looking for sells for a pullback. Okay, so I'm just letting you guys know. But if we start trading back above Asia highs, back above that previous daily high, I'm going to look for buys. But as it currently stands, the sells look more preferable. But we're going to see how these markets open up. Okay. German 30, that idea didn't play out. So luckily we didn't take that. That would have absolutely ruined the day. But on the daily, we actually said that we are bullish. If you go and watch this morning stream, we said that we closed outside of this range. This could just potentially be a deeper pullback. And now effectively you would see German 30 trade into that zone and potentially higher. Okay, so there's that zone initially where we thought we're going to start seeing rejection. But then we started trading through the levels and currently holding above previous daily high and Asia highs. Okay, so if we hold above this previous daily high, I do think the next level is going to be here, and if we start holding above there, this will continue on. All right, but for me, what's the name is looking very good. Gold, I believe we are going to get something. But Keeks, over to you, my brother.
Very Chad.
You would be surprised how stupidly easy and profitable the math. Yes, very easy and simple. But people don't want simple, my brother. They think it needs to be difficult.
Alright, okay, sorry Chad, I was just letting the Prodigy guys know what's up there.
Give them the levels.
What's that?
Do you give them the levels or I'll quickly give it to them?
No, I didn't do that, I let them know about the cracker.
Right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Can't let this one slide. I'ma show you how to get
You said it's true. But Chad, let's see what happens.
Let me quickly share this.
Chad, I actually want to show you guys something. Now this was just me being unlucky this morning. So for those of you guys that know, that's something Chris and myself normally preach, so I'm not worried about bringing it up now. But one of the rules you guys will know Chris and myself always preach is we don't enter a trade out of session. We will wait for market open. Otherwise, if we don't get it, that's not our trade. Okay? We can all agree on that, yeah. So, Chad, how about this? Did I not enter a buy over here? Okay? Somewhere here. I'm sure it was this candle.
Yeah.
I buy here. And you guys know the draw with Chris and myself. I've been running obviously a 50 pip stop. Actually, it might have been somewhere else there, but somewhere there. We ran the 50 pip stop. Do I not? And I'll actually show it to the guys. I don't know, but let's put it, that was basically the stop. This is the trade, and we're watching here for this morning. Now keep in mind, I took the same trade as Chris, and you guys are going to identify it very, very quickly. But there's your daily R1. Okay, that was the trade, a 7-hour trade, which is exactly what it would have been. I literally got stopped like that. Now, again, it's not even funny. My stop is literally on the tippity tip of this wick over here. But then, obviously, we broke our rule. So this was technically before market open. Then I went the exact same as Chris, where our rules are we enter after market open. And we entered on that candle right over there. And basically no drawdown. And the trade ran for us. But what did I do? I didn't take my full TP over there, which still would have given me a 4-hour trade. I now just took 1-to-1 because I was irritated with myself and I wanted to make back for the stupid loss I took over there. So yeah, a little bit of a irritation this morning, but just to show you guys, we also still play with our head, do things wrong, break our own rules, and now we got to play catch up for it afterwards. So yeah, it was a little bit of an irritating one this morning.
Golden is just all there for us.
What a beauty I gave Chris this morning.
You too cute, Brian.
But so me and Gold have some unfinished business today, yeah, Chad. Keeks, I took the all-time high trade for 60. There you guys. That's also the thing, Chad. If you guys are paying attention, we always talk about it. Just to close on all-time highs. So even if you went to the 1 minute, there was your close. Bang. You took all-time highs. You got obviously a close above all-time highs. And there was your candle. And you literally could have put it under any structure. If anything, you could have even put it under that bottom wick of a candle over there. And there was your trade. I always said you guys are 1-to-2. Otherwise, again, the daily R1 was a nice target for you because it was there. So anyone that took the all-time high trade, that also was a very, very nice trade there for you guys. But me and Gold have some words here today. Just imagine how much money you can make on your own if you pay for Bonang's mentorship. Who are you talking to?
No, Mario said it's easy.
We're human after all, Keeks. Sometimes we do break rules 100%. Just to show you guys, we also still do it.
Krebo, do you know ECW? Who's ECW?
ECW.
I feel like he's leading me into a... Carlo, you're trapping me here. Oh, yeah. Don't tell me my cat looks like a ECW wrestler. So what does Fubs do with me, bro? I feel like I look like a young Quibus Visa here. Why is it... Keeks, why does it look so tabletop, bro. Looks very tabletop. You check that.
Oh, young crispy.
Bro, that Fubs give me a tabletop. Fubsy. Yo, I'm gonna have to do some fixing here.
Eish. Hope gold does not pull the same as yesterday. Yesterday wasn't bad.
Hey,
We
yesterday
waited.
was clean,
We
bro.
waited, but it was good. Kribber looks like a Tekken character. Oh, Jex, I know who you're talking about.
Who?
There was Jex, you're talking about the same guy. That like military guy, hey? That was in Tekken.
Why does Chris look like a grown Tintin? What is a Tintin, my bro?
I don't know what a Tintin is.
Tintin. So I look like a Tintin, I'll kick you in the chin.
Yes,
shit.
jeez.
Brian. Keegs, the chat said I look younger. Told him about that youthful rejuvenation in Turkey.
Actually, I told you, man. We couldn't tell you guys he went to Turkey, so we had to just say he was in the cupboard. But
Refreshed, renewed.
Tintin is the cartoon character that goes on adventures with his dog.
Tintin. I do not know. Oh, Tintin.
No, man, Stove. Took a buy at 38.50, went in drawdown until 37.95, and still holding the same trade, target 3900. You were $5 away from TP, and you still held through all of that stuff. And now you are right back down again.
That little double top there at all time highs should have been your.
Oof. That's painful, bro. But we are waiting, yeah.
Ghoulie. Let's see, Ghoulie. Hey, Ghoulie.
Yeah, that's him.
Yo, bro. But Ghoulie's got a atomic bomb haircut. Bro, what is that? It's like your head exploded. With the little togy top lip.
That gold taxi has no air conditioning. Things were getting too intense at the high altitudes. 30 seconds till market open, Chad. Bro, did you fix the soundboard?
No. I'm gonna have to basically unplug everything like what I did last time.
Not the
Do it.
buzz. I'm talking the and
No, I can't log in there. For some reason I can't log in, bro.
I hear no buzz. Mo's saying that 'cause he doesn't want to have to work.
Wait, Mo. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, it is there. I can't hear it.
Mo, can you hear it now?
But Chad, on that note, markets are open, baby. Round 6. Ding, 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 ding. It's the fight.
Is the buzz fixed, Chad?
There's no music. No, we
Bro, the FPCA should chill, dude. This FPCA is still like, we don't know how to chill. Chris, show us how to chill.
Alright, Chad, let's see. Are we going to get the trade? Very, very simple stuff here. Can this hold above, or does it break back underneath for us?
You check what it can actually do now for us. You can create.
I'm a fan.
You can create there. Then still.
But either or.
No, yeah.
Or it can create one there and go. So either way, bro, I'm happy. Come on. Let's see, Chad. Let's see, baby. Come on, gold. Don't just run without us now. Don't do that. Don't be that person. Don't be that person now, gold. Good call. Good call on what? I know we have lots of good calls, but I don't know which one you're referring to.
I think it's US30 where I said it's gonna trade bullish. Bulelo. I said US30 is.
You know, the cracker also said bars. Come on, gold.
Nice. Why do I feel like the chat, if you just say I'm bullish and it's like, okay, Chris is bullish, we're buying.
They in it, bro. They in it.
Chris said it's bullish.
They're like, what do you mean we had to wait? He said he's...
Are you guys waiting? Waiting for what? I
It's
thought
like
you said you're bullish. You had me at bullish. That's all.
No, I heard
Okay.
bull and I was in.
Stream is done. And it's like, oh, thank you, Chris and Keeks. 2G is the best.
The shuffle is back.
No, we're actually just waiting for a zone.
The shuffle, the script just called a sell on gold. Alright. Oh, gold, are you leaving again? Don't do this to the boys. US30 singing I Believe I Can Fly.
I want to test this. I've got a little theory here. See if it works the same on gold. Kigo.
Let's see, my brother.
So I forward test it or just paper trade it.
What's your theory?
Check there. It just missed yesterday, the 1-1, but I'm gonna paper trade it. 27 minutes. Oh, that's more than enough. I'm gonna still have
Bonang is
to.
enjoying himself.
Oh, and man is smiling. He's only drinking chai teas now. Chai. Just I laugh at that man. Cool. Mo, what are you doing? Are you selling?
Right.
Are you experiencing roughness?
Oh, it's classic. Moses is always there catching strays.
Mo, what are you doing? I was like, nah, waiting for this level. It's like, Mo. Just, bro, I want to take it now. Oh, I'm too late. Stops are gonna have to be like 90.
But how can you take it now already?
No, this is US30.
Oh.
Yeah, I want to forward test it. You checked there.
Hmm.
So let's see. But technically you would have taken there off the rip. So let's see, yeah. It's quite an naughty little playlist there.
Oh, bro. On that note.
I think that We can do it, my brother.
Alright, Gold, you still just patiently chilling over there. I mean, I'm not upset because now you're not running away.
Mo, I hope you took that trade, otherwise you're out the group. Yo, that man.
You can't call it catching strays when the gun is aimed at him.
Yo, that man is.
I can tell you now, bro. Either way, Mo's still there on WhatsApp. Get in there. Are you in this trade? Did you take the buys?
And remember, they're living together currently. So, when they're having dinner in the evening, it's like, Mo, what did you do today? We are experiencing smoothness. How is it possible that you are experiencing roughness?
Right, it was so funny. So, all fairness, hey, and this goes out to actually the mentors who are decent and the guys with always everything in trading is a scam. And there was this video and the guy's chatting to him. He says, no, like people like, no, you're a scammer, you this. He's like, so how am I a scammer? No, you say we can make this money and you do this, da, da, da. We're not happening. We're not making money. So he says, so show me your account. So he shows them the account. Keep in mind, they haven't given, the guy's not trading for them. It's a normal like signals group, whatever you want to call it. And he's like, but those wins are my wins. Every loss you took there, he says, why don't I have those losses? He says, what do you mean? He says, whose trades are those? Oh no, they're my own trades. I wanted to like self-trade. And then he's like, so you blew your money up. You also over leveraged. You did all of this, but then you told me I'm a scammer because you blew up your account. He's like, go back. He says, how did you blow up? He's talking about the DMO. Yeah. Bro, it's a true thing though. And he says, how do you blow up? And we go back 2 weeks and we haven't taken a loss. How are you blowing up? And then you told me I'm a scammer. It's very, very true, bro. Like, I actually respected him for when he said that. Because it is. Like, the guys tune them. But you catching on your own cock.
Okay, let's see there, Kigo. Let's see it. Let's see if the source can produce.
Nou, I'll smoke Yanni.
Yanamaz.
We're just waiting for gold to also respect the levels.
Mo, what are you doing? Are you making money or is it a long story?
Yo, I feel like we're gonna wait here for gold day, bro.
I think it's gonna be similar to yesterday, but when we get it, it's gonna be smoothness.
How's your paper trade going?
Let's check it.
Sure. The man's a paper trader.
Only demos. Only demos. Because technically it's still the same rules.
Yeah.
Sitting on my hands, everything. Hey, Sebastian. Actually did quite a bit of content on that today. 24 videos, eh?
Yeah.
24 videos. 35 new pieces of content. Now I'm lying. Is it 30? I don't even know if it's 35, but a lot. I would actually like to sell now, Kigo. If it can re-break there. But if we go up from here, 100%.
Oh.
Big up there again. Show us Kribo. DMO doesn't trade in OT, AJ trades for him. Show Keegs one awesome stuff. Danko. Well done guys on the USD and NASDAQ bull moves. Prang TP almost hit. Are you also waiting for that level, Kigo? Yeah. We're on the same page.
There, but I'd love to catch it a bit earlier though. But I don't think we're gonna get one earlier.
Let me check, yeah, no. It's lit.
You know, the thing is though, but I am gonna just be patient as much as we don't want to.
Rules
I think
is
we've,
rules.
but not even the rules, bro. It's NFP week, so I'm not.
Oh, yeah.
I'm not breaking a rule. Yeah. To be fair, I broke one this morning and I got burned for it, so I'm not doing it again.
Bro, to be fair, I've got a Quibus Visa card, my dude. Joe, how am I gonna fix this? Yo, Fabzy, you did me wrong here, bro. Yo, how did he Quibus Visa me in minutes?
You were literally standing there with the mirror in
Bro,
front
I
of you.
saw it. I saw it happen in front of me, and I thought he was just like setting up for something. I didn't know this was gonna be the finisher. Yo, dude finished me on a young Quibo. Quibonachi. Keeks, you should have heard what Chris was saying about Q5 this. Hey, Chad. Hey, Laza. I don't even have a Onya anymore. I must figure that out as well. How did you guys break everything from moving from the studio into studio
I
2?
don't know what that is.
It's like everything just fell apart from there to here. It's like a 7-meter walk.
We lost like a wheel. The tank's on empty. We got some chips in the front. It's messy, bro, but we are.
I think we might get this one. I actually like this one because it's so close to check.
And then that's kind of your little, it's called your fake out. Yeah.
But either one, I'll enjoy both.
Cribbo, how many likes to get the giveaway back from this morning?
Okay, so 267. Let's say participation rate of. Let's quickly look at it. So we currently have 267 viewers. Let's say Kick 65% participation rate. You happy with that?
Yeah.
So let's round it up to 175 likes, and we are doing two giveaways. Anisha, good afternoon, or good morning, wherever you are in this beautiful world of ours. 175. And if you guys do 250 likes, we do 4 giveaways.
Sure.
I don't know if you guys have it in you. Smash that like button. Flamena's like, Brian, you're not liking that stream. You're not adding fuel to this 2G's fire. Man's friendly with his new diet and all. Keys, this is my playlist though. I want to take credit for this. It's a lack of playlist, be honest. Which one do you usually play?
The other one.
This one as well.
No. I used to, not anymore. Like this was back in the day we used to play this. The only thing is this one we get strikes galore after the fact.
Really?
All of these we're gonna get
But
strikes.
aren't these bootleg songs?
Doesn't matter, bro. You still gonna get a strike for it.
I think these are bootlegs. Let me actually check that other thing you talked about quickly.
We still gotta get it hit there. Too nice and it will give you. Sebastian, it's not gonna happen. Did you do it now?
Yeah. Check that. La 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 la.
Hey, bro. If they decline now, I give up. Joking, Gigo. Gold, please do something for us.
I think it's waiting for news, my brother.
Keys, Chris even said that 2G's hoodie you and Radio made looks like something from Red Bat.
Oh, been waiting for the giveaway.
Brian, you were so close with that one, bro. You know where you had the hiccup there. We never made a hoodie. But you were so close.
Almost had us.
I almost believed you there, bro. There's always.
What is my beloved Tesla doing? Chat, just some logistics here. Friday, myself and Kigo won't be here. We will be experiencing smoothness on our way to a young safari on Friday till Sunday. Bonang and Ed will be streaming on Monday. Friday. And I think there's no NYSE stream because we're flying out at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, so we're not going to have the boys do a double stream. So they're at least going to cover for us for one. So
we can't let Ed catch on. Like the damage he'll do in 2 streams is...
That whole stream is just going to become a promotion for Forex Insights.
Yeah, we can't. Damage it does in one is too much. So if you're going to do that amount of damage in one stream, imagine 2 kicks. So we can only give him one
you got to do it in slow proportions, Chad.
So then I get messages, Chris, did you watch the stream? Did you hear what Ed said? And I'm like, what do you mean, what did Ed say? Yeah, just go watch the stream. It was...
I think we might get the other one there, bro.
I actually like it, dude. I'm not
My
gonna
only
lie.
problem is I think we're going to get it just before, like we could get it just before news.
But real men trade news. And we trade news. Ed can pull a... Nah.
Imagine Bonang didn't take TP. Ooh. So basically, no signals in South Africa on Friday. Pretty much. all the traders and mentors are gonna take a day off.
Because we power the movement. Is that what you're saying, Keeks?
To be fair, they might be still on Friday for London because they do still like to copy Bonang.
Oh yeah.
But that will pretty much be it.
It makes a lot of sense now why we were blocked from viewing the stories.
Yeah.
Remember when I called them out on that? So it makes a lot of sense now why you would subtly go and block me from viewing your stories.
Yeah, Bravo, we also thinking we're going to get it round about then that move.
Some say big in the shade. Some said 180 kilograms in the shade, Brian. I don't know. Some said he creates some shade. Again, I must stop. Sorry, that was no. Okay, please forgive me for that, Chad. That was no. Sure.
Yeah,
That's even bad for me. No, actually, no. Sorry, guys. Sorry, Keeks. That was uncalled for. No. Ooh, eat shade.
82 streams and we'll definitely get a 90% discount.
No, bro. I can't have any more 2 streams. And I'll lock him out tomorrow out of the CRM. That man will be running and gunning discount codes, yeah.
For everyone that goes and follows Forex Insights, it's going to be getting a discount code today, guys. These man's going to be handing them out like it's candy.
Yeah, Keeks, I think we are going to get it at news.
I told you, bro.
Will you take it?
I don't know. I think I'm probably going to wait. I'm just going to hope it doesn't give us to us at news. Bro, if it's 5 minutes after news, I'll take it.
Oh,
But
yeah.
like,
100%.
but that just before news. Believe, hey. There's a difference of believing and if my account believes.
So that volatility can tickle you a little bit. That
Yeah.
little tickleate.
It is setting up. It's just taking its time to set up.
Okay, but now this comes back into play again.
Yo, the horror, my brother, if you're trading, you should be educated on this. And even if you're not educated, you should be early enough that you can see the fundamental chat. It is US manufacturing PMI. And you can see 5 minutes, 38 seconds till it comes out.
Okay, Chad, I added earlier in the week another 25k to the crypto portfolio Geek. So
Are you still-
I'm 50k in now. So I've got a young 50k. Remember I said every month I'll do 25 into it.
Is it still up?
No, I was actually down a little bit. Let me check it. Oh, break even now. Basically, I'll show you now. Basically break even. New token listings. Check there, basically.
QG, let's go. What's up, champ?
Oh, no, there I went up. Positive 0.03%. So, okay, so I'll keep you guys updated on this. This could be my retirement plan, Keeks. I don't know.
So, question, brother. Are you in, as in like you trading, or do you own Bitcoin?
Who, me?
No, Hawaii, yeah.
No,
He's like he's been in Bitcoin since 109,000.
No, not USD, Rons. No. Jeez, we're not there yet. We're getting there, but
Trading on it. Okay. I'm with you, brother. I'm with you. So the man's holding there.
hodl, my brother.
Man's holding.
I think they swear in this song.
I don't think so. I'm trying to think. Where did they swear in this?
Oh,
I don't think they
Tesla,
do.
bro.
ZAR making a comeback. We don't want the ZAR to make a comeback. ZAR must go down. We earning dollars. I don't like dollar going down.
Tesla up 44%. 44%.
Hey, that's a nice little bag for you.
I want to sell out at 80%. That's where they swear, listen.
Alright, they do.
Oh, yeah, they swear.
Hey, they do.
This is a family show.
Well done, bro, that you caught on that one. I didn't even think about that one.
The Tesla one.
No, the song.
Oh, the song. No, I called Tesla. I said I never, bro. I love Elon. I'm all in on Elon, bro.
FTMO accounts will be cheaper with the ZAR strengthening. No, they won't, my brother. Do yourself a favor. So if you actually are someone who trades often with FTMO adjusts their prices so that there's always a fixed amount that you are paying depending on what you're paying in. So for example, if you paid in dollar, if the dollar in general has gone down, the dollar value you're going to play has gone up. Does that make sense? So for example, you might have 4 months ago paid $540 for a 100k account. Now you might be paying $570, if that makes sense. So their stuff moves with the pricing.
No. Sophie, I'm keeping it simple. Top 20 altcoins. No, none of this other stuff. I'm not.
I've cashed out on all crypto at the moment. Hey, Brian.
Scared money never made money. No, I'm joking. Brian, we have to start somewhere. Eh? Have to start. That's why I'm gonna just drip into that portfolio. Just trickle into
Kyle,
it.
I think there is, but the thing is, it's only allowed one, and you're only allowed one with that discount code if you don't have one of those accounts already. If you don't have a 100k account. Oh, I pulled because you bought.
Hi, Brian. We've got our shot to 100% banger on Nvidia, and on my way to another 100% banger on Tesla. Don't forget these things that I've called you on stream for you boys.
Luck.
I've been calling these bangers.
Chad, we got 20 seconds till that news comes out.
Let's
See if we get some volume here now.
Keeps I went long, bro. Steady, you know.
Oh, yeah.
I'm long.
Already?
Yeah,
Did you go for it?
I went for it, bro. Full mortgage, long.
Like trade or paper trade?
No, trade. No, I'm kidding.
All right, Chad. Markets. Let's see what's happening there. Pending. What's it going to come out as? What is it? It is taking its time. These are the days I miss a terminal. 49.1. So they actually got the number they were looking for.
Just.
They got it. And prices. With prices a drop. Okay, so end of the day, you technically have mixed data. So we waited for that for pretty much nothing. First time on the channel, what strategy do you trade? I trade the strategy where I look at these candles, and depending if they go up, then I buy. And if they go down, then I sell.
We just follow the trend, Danelle Lotte. Trend is your friend till it bends.
No, joking. We have obviously a few little bit of tips and tricks in our arsenal. But I'd break it down that majority of things are off support and resistance. We like to keep it simple here.
We can actually call it the collective
trade stuff. I'm also in Bitcoin since 2021. Yesterday I posted the forgotten the account. Damn.
Okay, Kigo.
No volume rule. Looks like we are ranging in the meantime. Yeah.
Can you please make a video on how to swing trade on VF without breaching? Just pause the account so you don't have to swing it.
Let's see. Bro, don't you love though? Like, you bring up Bitcoin and now everyone's beating Bitcoin again.
Yeah, bro.
You bring up
How's that?
XRP and Oak's gonna be like, bro, I've got millions in XRP. That thing's going to the moon, baby.
I've been eating XRP for... Okay, Key, bro. Gold. What do you want to do for the boys, for the lads?
Decide, bro. Needs to just do something for us.
Sweet dream. I'm gonna let you guys shave. Brian, my only thing is I had zero crypto, so I know it's relatively high. Or not, the altcoins aren't really that high, but you have to start somewhere. So it's gonna feel a lot better trickling in. I'm working. Say, Brian. Do you think some guys blew their accounts in this little range here with gold?
Bro.
Buy, sell.
Chad, if you look at this is literally this is market open here for you guys. That's been market open on gold. That right there. One moment she's sitting there going, this is the moment it's going to break out. I'm in drawdown. It's coming back. I'm really in drawdown. It's coming back again. I'm back in drawdown.
I'm selling. I don't really know what I'm doing. So let's... Brian, there's no better way. There's no better way than to start at the high. I really want to experience those market waves and the emotions. Can I really call myself... a crypto trader if I haven't experienced 90% drawdown? Gotta experience it.
Yeah.
You gotta see that portfolio going to minus 90 if you want to enjoy the plus 500%. Keeks?
That's it. On the side note though, bro, while we wait, because gold's not doing really anything, we did achieve the first target. 188 likes.
No, did we? Okay, let me go pee quickly. I think we...
We're being patient, yeah.
I think it's gonna come for us. Let me go pee before I miss it. Whoop, no, it's not gonna come. It's like Trump, I'm coming. Trump, you better not come to Chicago. I'm gonna come.
Yeah. Gold is worse than crypto and USDs are. I'm learning patience, yeah. If I was alone, I would have been in already, buying without mercy, and I would be sweating from head to my toes. I'm really, really learning discipline, standing by though. Bro, trust me, as much as we sit in here, we also like, we want to be in something. Our setups are there, but we've learned, especially in an NFP week, if you break rules in NFP week, you are going to get chopped. As long as you wait, then you can catch the move. But same thing, yeah. Chop, 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 and then eventually she took off. Chopped, then you eventually caught something. So we just sitting here now, waiting until she'll eventually give us something again. Hoping she's gonna give us something. Because the other pairs aren't really doing anything for us right now. There's even USD, looking at it over here. Yeah, the big move, market open, previous daily high, you came right back down, reversed the whole move, and now back up again to Asia highs. So everything is just chopping, guys. We are waiting for something. Let's see. Yeah, so there's a little bit of entry and waiting here, guys. As you said, we're going to get into the giveaway now when Cribber gets back, so don't go anywhere for that yet. Make sure you have for the giveaway. I know a lot of you guys are just a whole bunch of stream hoppers, but at least we have you guys here. Hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. Gold taxi is stalling. I think it might just head downtown. If it is downtown, we're ready to catch it, but it needs to get heading then. Otherwise, we're just sitting here watching it still. Registration for October's competition is now open, free to enter. There's the link for the Vol Funder training competition. Gigs, looks like it's going to be the same as yesterday. Stove, I'm fine with that, bro, as long as we get that clear move still. Tuned in from California. Hey, awesome, brother. Glad to have you here with us.
Cali.
I was a stream hopper, but then I found the 2Gs. Hey, appreciate it. I stream hop from London stream to New York stream. Hey.
It's the only RP you should do. Why can't I log into...
I also stream hop. You know, Brian. You can't take.
Hey, Brian.
Geeks, looking at 15-minute charts on gold, sells maybe looking strong. As I said, I don't mind either at this point. It just needs to make up its mind what it wants to do.
We've got our 2 levels that we're waiting for. Okay, chat, beautiful. So we got our first 250 unlocks 2 more giveaways, but for now we're going to do 2. So how you enter yourself, make sure that you have hit that like button, that you are subscribed, and that you've at least sent 1 message in the chat. Alright, this is a random selection. I'm going to give you guys a couple of minutes, and the first winner, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this. Okay, entries are stacking. Keep it going. W's. Alright. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Kyle. I don't know which Kyle this is. Kyle status unknown. Let me see what Kyle this is. Which Kyle won here? Is it our Kyle?
I think it's... Yeah.
Is it our Kyle?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Kyle. I've only seen that Kyle in the chat today.
That's the only Kyle, yeah. So Kyle, you are first winner, my brother. And now on to our second winner. 3, 2, 1. Get ready. Proper Naughty Boy music. So it's Kyle and PNBM. You guys are the winners. Please contact support@vaultfunder.trade with a screenshot of your YouTube username and profile for us to send you those accounts. Well done, well done.
There we go. Well done, everyone.
It's been a minute for gold this than this.
You know, bro, you jinxed us yesterday.
What?
You were saying there on the stream. Ah, there we go, gold. Come on.
What did I say?
You came there saying the boys must enjoy this volume on gold because one of these days it's just going to go sideways again.
No, but it is. Yeah, here's the thing. If you're setting out with all of this volume, by the time you've mustered up enough courage to start trading it, then we're sideways again.
Well, it's coming now, bro. Just
Then it's
needed
like,
to-
oh, remember those days, Keegs, where gold moved 50 in 2 minutes?
Come on, gold. Just please.
That's part of the cycles, Then we're going back to the 1 minute.
Yeah. Hey, bro. Then we go into the seconds.
Back to the 1 minute we slide. Rasi.
And it's pulled right back.
So remember what I showed you on the 1 minute?
Yeah.
So on the 1 minute, we would have been done. Wait. There. No, wait. Am I talking cock here? Nah, I think I'm talking a little bit of smack. That's not. Nah, wait.
The 1 minute is
Okay.
chop chop, Chris.
Nah, not even on the 1 minute.
Oh, the 1 minute is messy. Right, Jay, we're just gonna get comfy here now.
Bro, this stream or this music channel plays 8 songs just on repeat for 16 hours. 12-hour stream.
What happened to that paper trail? What happened with that?
No, got killed.
Did it get killed? Okay.
Killed, murdered, destroyed. No, but look at that price action, bro.
Yeah.
Is there more data coming out? No.
Uh-uh. You know what's gonna happen with this, eh? We're gonna sit here the whole day, and we eventually we're gonna be like, "That's it, enough's enough." We're gonna go home, and once we get home after that drive, you're gonna be like, "I'm gonna have a look at the charts," and there you're gonna
Just
see this
move.
thing, gone. And you're gonna see the most perfect entry criteria.
I'm not
you're gonna
leaving.
see.
I'm not leaving till we get it. I'm not leaving till we get a trader. I'm not leaving, Chad. Gotta get that Sang vir ons
Oh,
liedjie.
that sneaky puff at her.
Bro, literally just has to go there. Just do this first. Doof.
Yeah.
That's all it is to do.
A potential 24-hour stream.
Alright, Chad. Hour 20, waiting for gold to break out of the range. How is Dax, Chris? Dax is super bullish, my brother. I don't think there was an entry for you. If we look at it here, there was a previous daily high test that zone Asia highs, and then I said if it's going to come through here, also no retest, it's going to continue bullish. So, yeah, I don't think unless you were awake. Yeah, it's done. Don't try to chase it now. NASDAQ holding that average daily range beautifully. Previous daily low. Tough price action here, Chad. US 30 failing to hold above that daily level. Still bullish there. What is the rest of the markets doing? Come on, Tesla. That's where I'm hitting out, Chad, on Tesla.
Still waiting, Chad.
This is probably the cuckest thing I've got in my portfolio. I can't get into QQ now. Bro, I think gold is exhausted. Is there no bottom wick on gold? I don't know, there is on the weekly. I see this gold making me when I take dogs out, same as yesterday. I hope those are too expensive dogs you're taking out, Tinas. Because it's costing you money.
Gold really is not moving like at all.
Sorry, I must just phone my wife. I must ask what time is that concert.
I have 3 bulldogs, mate.
Stick around and get along with you. Hello, it doesn't really mean that I'm into you.
Just go gold. This is your moment. Just go bullish. Go for it.
I'm your darling to enjoy the party. Don't get too excited, 'cause that's all you get from me. Yeah, I think you're cute, but really you should know. I just came to say hello.
Yeah, nah. I thought we were gonna be sitting here for a while, bro. I need to say hello to my TP. Yeah, we all do. Gold slowly starting to do its thing, yeah. Gold equals hold my beer while I wreck some accounts. Chad's like the minute you think it's gonna go bullish, it then goes bearish again. And then the minute you're gonna think it's gonna go bearish, it's gonna go bullish again. Boys, I'm calling it a day. My eyes are burning, but I still want bars. Come on, can you? Yeah, T. US study is back. What's US study doing? I'm back at that same position. It is back at previous daily highs, but I mean, maybe it's gonna run. But are you gonna risk buying at the highs? Yo, and gold's back into sell mode. Might hit Blanks TP, okay. Chad is looking at different charts than me, nothing is happening. This is Madison's Pretoria music. The long weekend news study is a bit of a scare, yeah. Gold, you're driving me crazy here today. Just I'm previously highs. How does this monthly competition work, Jeff? Just go check it out. All the rules, questions, all the answers are there, my brother. Just go have a look at it. Yeah, Chad, if this 5 minute doesn't do anything, unfortunately, I have to go. So I don't know if Chris is still going to sit here. I know he also has stuff on. But, sure. That 200 EMA is trying to hold the weight of all the gold to keep it from falling. Could have been 10 is 10 40 times now, up and down. Sometimes these charts are personal. You go to the toilet to pee and you come back. 15 says I've splayed out 1,000 pip movements on gold, and when you enter it consolidates. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a good way to look at it. If something's not moving, set a time, and if still nothing, walk away. Yeah, you kind of have to force yourself sometimes. Gold's taking a power nap. I don't know if gold's in a power nap. Gold's in a coma at the moment. That thing is out like a light. Have to adapt, I guess, brother. Session is chalked. Yeah, no, I also don't think so, guys. No, I'm gonna be out, so I'm not gonna. I'm not. Gold cracked London and then went to the pub. Yeah, Chad, I don't think anything's gonna happen. I'm gonna be ready to call it. Cribber, you ready, my brother?
Yeah, let's call it.
Chad, yeah, it's just, there's nothing happening on these charts. There's nothing. Gold's on its own little mission. I'm not going to sit around and wait for it. I'll come back again tomorrow, see what it has, but not going to force myself into something and ruin. Gold, don't try this now. Don't do this. But, Chad, Kibbo, closing remarks from you, brother.
What is the chances in the next 7 minutes this thing gives us the setup?
Right.
Keeks, all I'm saying is it could literally be just 5 in the next 5 and we're in.
I have places to be, bro. So do you.
I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna drive in the car. I'm gonna put it there on the Apple CarPlay and then.
No, it's fine, bro. But yeah, closing remarks from you, brother.
Project G bootcamp when? I'm thinking maybe tomorrow night. Quick one.
I can't tomorrow night.
Wow.
I have a men's group.
So what time? I'll push for the guys.
6 to 8:30.
Then I'm a few boot camps ahead of you.
Well, I'm gonna say they're boot camps. These are like educational calls.
No, but remember those 2 weekends I did the boot
No,
camp?
those I'll say, but not these ones there in the middle of the week.
No, Chad, Project G guys, I think tomorrow night I'm gonna push a little session for you guys. So we can definitely do tomorrow night.
Yeah, we'll do the next little update on the. Alright. But Chad, thanks for joining. Kribbo, good to have you back on the streams, my brother. Chad, we're going to see you guys same place, same time tomorrow as always. Very, very good, Chad. Market's just super consolidating again. Congratulations to all of our winners. And we're going to see you guys then. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other. Peace and love, baby. Cheers, Chad.
Peace.
That's just how I think it's either you or me. This life got too deep for you, baby. 2 or 3 of us about to creep where they stay in. Black leather gloves, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot side, left foot up, right foot side. You say you're saying you let me better slide. Can't let this one slide. Right foot up, left foot side, left foot up, right foot side. You say you're saying you let me better slide. Can't let this one slide. Right foot up, left foot side, left foot up, right foot side. You say you're saying you let me better slide. Can't let this one slide. Right foot up, left foot side, left foot up, right foot side. You say you're saying you let me better slide. Can't let this one slide. good feeling.